Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another affordable home, which is a 3-bedroom property. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This particular property is located in Bradford, which is very near to Bradford city. There are a lot of shopping complexes nearby. You also have plenty of primary and secondary schools. And there is also a very good grammar school nearby. This particular property is from Keepmoat Builders in Yorkshire. So for any further queries, you can log on to their website and check in detail. Many of you have asked me in the previous videos to share the exterior visuals of the show home and the colony, how it looks like. So this is the newly built colony from the Keepmoat properties. You have different types of their houses here. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor, we have the kitchen and living room. You also have a water closet. On the first floor, we have 2 different bedrooms and a common bathroom with a lobby. On the second floor, we have the master bedroom with ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, in front of you, you'll see a small hall wherein you have the staircase leading to upstairs. And towards the other side, you have a small water closet which I'll be sharing with you later. And the entrance of this house is through the kitchen. Yes, you heard me right. The first room in the ground floor is the kitchen. So this will be your entrance. It's a very beautiful kitchen which has got all the facilities in it. We do have properties with the kitchen facing front, but this was first time I'm seeing like entrances to the kitchen. Normally you do have an open kitchen, dining and living, but this was totally different for me. These days in most of the budget homes, if you observe, they try to reduce the hall space in the middle, wherein you have the partitions which lead to different rooms. They either straight away give you the living room in the front with the kitchen at the back, or kitchen in the front like this with the living area at the back. The kitchen has got all the modern facilities. As I told you, you have these extra appliances fitted in like the integrated fridge and freezer. You have plenty of cupboards both at the bottom and even at the top. There is an electric cooking and you also have the oven fitted in at the bottom. As there is a window towards the other side, there's plenty of light and air movement. So this is all about the kitchen. Now moving towards the living area. Now the entrance towards the living area is through the kitchen. The living room has got good space. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily. You also have the French door access towards the garden behind it. I feel that every builder has got a different perspective. Like some people give more priority to the kitchens. They try to make beautiful kitchens, and some people give priority to the bedrooms, living areas. So maybe this kind of living room was created wherein you have the garden access. You feel very pleasant and relaxed while sitting with your family. So in the low budget, they try to give you as much as possible. If you can see, the garden is quite big and it's very beautiful as well. In summers, it will be very relaxed to sit out with your family. Now towards the other side of the living room, we have a small room with door and lock. This is the space under the staircase which is converted into as a small storeroom. So this is all about the living room. Now moving towards the other rooms of the house. These days, for almost all the new build properties, they're actually providing a water closet in the ground floor, which is a very good thing. So as you enter the house, towards your left side, you have the water closet in the ground floor. It's a nice washroom. You have the sink, water closet, and there's also a window towards one side. I really like when they give small windows even in these kind of washrooms. It's really good. This is all about the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, we have 2 different bedrooms and a common bathroom with a lobby. So now exploring the first bedroom of the house. Now on the first floor of this house, you have 2 small bedrooms, and the main master bedroom is actually located on the second floor. But if you look at this room, the space is given in length. So a cot fits in and you have enough room to walk around. The windows also are very big and beautiful. Plenty of light and air movement in this room. And towards the other side, you have good space to have your inbuilt shelves. So this is all about the first bedroom of the house. Now as you come out of this room, you will find a small room just beside it. This has got the mains in it. And there is some kind of space at the bottom. You can store something here. This has got a door and a lock as well. Now beside the small room, you have this fully tiled and well-designed common bathroom. There is a bathtub, sink and a water closet. You also have a window towards one side. Beside the common bathroom, you have the second bedroom of the house. Now the space in the second bedroom is comparatively smaller, so this can be used as a kid's bedroom, study, computer room, storeroom, whatever you want to. There is a big window towards one side, so you have plenty of light and air movement as well. As you come out of this room, you will find a lobby towards the other side. Now from this lobby, there is a staircase which leads to the second floor. The space in the lobby is also quite good actually. Now on the second floor, you have your lavish master bedroom with all the comfort space, which also includes the ensuite facilities. So let's explore this master bedroom now. For a second floor room, the height is really good, and the slanting cut given towards the front end gives you some extra space in that particular area. The window location also is perfect. There is plenty of light and air movement in this room. And you have space towards the other side to have these inbuilt shelves fitted in. So a lot of storage goes inside and the room looks very neat. You also have some decent space towards the other side of the room wherein you can have the dressing table and chairs. Now exploring the bathroom. The bathroom space is very good. You have the walk-in shower, water closet and also the sink. The window is given on the top, so plenty of light and the ventilation is really good. One of the new things which I observed here is there is a small storeroom inside this bathroom, and the space in the storeroom is quite big actually. Since they did not give any loft on the top, they try to manage it with this kind of storage space. It's very good. You can have anything inside this storeroom. So we covered all the rooms in this property. I hope this video was useful to you and it has given you some beautiful ideas on existing UK properties. If so, feel free to give it a thumbs up on YouTube and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now as you come out of this property, you'll find a lot of Asian stores around. This is really a good place for shopping. Don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.